At SAE, you'll study alongside a community of makers. We give you the support to experiment, take risks, push boundaries, break things. It's all part of the creative process.
Most of our courses are delivered in a blended format. This combines on-campus and online learning.
SAE campuses are creative hubs
And really allow students to discover what they're passionate about through making.
You'll get to make commercials, music videos, dramas, documentaries, experimental films.
With access to the best gear, industry placements and global connections.
You can choose the pace that suits you, whether it's fast-tracked, standard or part-time.
SAE's difference is our genuinely hands-on learning.
Whether it's design, film, creative industries, music, audio, everything is designed to help you start making.